Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam.
ये कैंसर का मरीज है जी।
बात है
कौन है
बोल
इसके?
अच्छा अच्छा कोई नहीं ध्यान रखें कोई नहीं चलो मुझे तो तरस आता है देखा ही नहीं जाता इनकी तरफ।
What makes this particular hospital different from others, such as Mayo, is that here, so they claim, the poor are able to be treated completely free of charge on a first-come, first-served basis. This has not happened in Pakistan before. Even though building work is still in progress, many departments have opened so that patients are already admitted for diagnosis and treatment. The latest scanning equipment is imported from the United States and Europe. The intention is that once these facilities become operational, the revenue they generate will help to subsidize those patients who cannot afford treatment.
So the patient
And the ray comes from here?
Comes out from here, yeah, radiation.
And this is, of course, the walls are quite thick, 7 feet thick, I'm told. It's to prevent, huh?
At least.
To prevent radiation leakage.
Prevent.
And
We'll
what is the,
probably
the average duration for a treatment for a single dose?
Normally 5 minutes, 6 minutes. It depends on the fields, how many fields we are giving to the patient.
That's right.
How much it cost?
Depending on what options you have on the machine, can cost from $1 to $2 million.
That's pretty good.